Nairobi.
Gavana Masia Simba dwaro ni tim nonro ewi gino mowacho ni nitie maling'ling ni tend okwach kich ma Kisii chano make kanyakla gi johera mage 14. Arati monde kodhoge ka obila ma okwach kich Nairobi kotenegi okinde mage James Orengo gi Otiende Amolo wacho ni owinjore non gima omiyo itimone apedha ka chich ni en gi gilweny.
We have handed a copy of that clip to the police also this morning and this afternoon, where a police officer, a CCIO in Kisii, is recorded giving instructions and giving insights into how guns, firearms, and other things are going to be planted on Governor Arati. Partly is to make sure that Governor Arati is not given the space to undertake his duties as governor of Kisii.
It is a unique complaint. Governor Arati has lodged a complaint with the DCI against the DCI. So we want to see the action that they take, because the alternative is to take the law into our own hands. But as counsel for Governor Arati, we have lodged the complaint. They've assured us there'll be some action, so we went to await that action.